Welcome to our tutorial on how to autofill date series in Excel. In this video, we'll explore how to use the autofill feature to create date series by day, weekday, month, and year, along with some advanced examples. Let's get started. First, let's look at how to autofill a date series by day. Suppose you have the date 1st of January 2024 in cell A1, and you want to fill it down to create a series of consecutive days until 31st of December 2024. The basic method of doing this is select cell A1, drag the fill handle down until you reach the date 31st of December 2024. But it's not practical with large volumes of data. Therefore, select the cell A1 and go to Home tab. Under the editing group, select dropdown of the Fill option, then click on the series. In the Fill Series dialog box, check the column, as we need to appear dates in a column or column A. You may select Row if you need to appear dates in a one row, then select the series type as Date. The date unit should be day here and set step value to 1 as we need every date of the year to appear. Finally, set the stop value here. In this example, it should be 31st December 2024. One thing to remember here is that you need to enter the stop date in the same format which you enter your starting value. In my case, I will type it in month, date, and year format, and then click OK. You can see all the dates within the range have appeared in column A. Next, let's fill a date series with only weekdays. Suppose you have 1st of January 2024 in cell C1, and you want to fill down to create a series that includes only weekdays of January month. You can do this in two ways. Select cell C1, drag the fill handle from the bottom right corner of cell C1 down to cell C31. It's because January month has only 31 days. But we only need weekdays here. To get only the weekdays, click on the Autofill Options button that appears and select Fill Weekdays. Alternatively, you can use the Fill series for this as well. Go to Fill Series and select the columns as series in, date as type, and weekday as date unit. The keep step value as 1 and set the stop value as 31st January 2024 and click OK. Excel fills the series with only weekdays, skipping the weekends with both methods. Now let's fill a date series by month. Suppose you have 1st of January 2024 in cell E1, and you want to fill down to create a series of dates by month in 2024. To do that, select cell E1. Drag the fill handle from the bottom right corner of cell E1 down to cell E12. Click on the Autofill Options button and select Fill Months. Alternatively, you can use the Fill series for this as well. Go to Fill Series and select the columns as series in, date as type, and month as date unit. We'll change step value as 2 here to get the date in every 2 months and set the stop value as 31st December 2024 and click OK. Finally, let's create a date range for the coming 10 years, starting from 1st of January 2024 in column G, with the Fill Handle option. Let's do the same, keeping step value 2 and series stop value as 1st of January 2033. That's how you enter series of dates by day, weekday, month, and year by using Fill Handle and Fill Series option. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. For more Excel tips and tricks, be sure to check out our other videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Excel Tutor. See you next time.